This girl right here, this Nelly girl, is the person shaking this whole table in the house. She is Nelly. Do you understand, guys? So she has been on the neck of this Ruth, and then is it Wani's twin? Yeah, they've been saying a lot about this girl. Like, I was wondering, okay, why are they dragging this girl? So the main issue this twin had with this girl is because of Sean. Yeah, because I think probably she was playing with Sean at the time, or they felt like she's doing too much with Sean. Then the Hanni twin to Wani was like, okay, I'm going to now focus on Suj, which they feel like is close to Nelly, because she's now going close to Nelly. Nelly is going close to Suj by all means, back to back. Remember, Suj was saying that he's attracted to Victoria at the same time, Nelly. So she now wants to go to Suj so that she will pay back and see, let them set the house into wahala. Do you understand? But this girl is effortlessly causing trouble without her knowing it. Or should we say that she knows what she's doing? Well, let's just say that the wahala is about to begin. The boss we are looking for, since Hanni is going to face Suj, and then Ruth is actually saying another thing again about Nelly. So, and then of course, Chinwe, her girl, is trying to advise her to be herself and still play with the girl. Let them play together and be mysterious about it. And do you also think that Chinwe is being too confident in that house? Like, probably she's not in bottom four, stuff like that. So she's seeing herself that they are actually, in the high game. Or what do you actually think? Because this advice she's giving to this girl, I just hope she doesn't ruin her game, or she just had to be herself. Initially, Ruth was like, I'm not going to fight for a man, but at the same time, she's advising her, be yourself. Then be the mysterious girl, maybe fight for it and stuff like that. So now we can comfortably say that the drama line has been drawn, and then Hanni is out for it. Let's see if she's going to make the move as she said. Likewise, Ruth, who is also saying that Nelly is just everywhere around Suj. I don't know if she's interested in Suj. Do you understand? So it's going to be a long way in the house, because I don't just want anybody's mental health. Do you understand? I don't understand what's happening there. Then again, but should we talk about the conversation of Nelly and Ben as regards to the way housemates are kissing these trees because they want the custodian challenge, thinking that probably on Sunday they'll definitely choose one of the housemates. They can't definitely pick everybody. It's only one person. Do you understand? So probably it's getting now annoying in the house. But everybody, they hustle for sports now. What do you expect? So man has to do whatever he has to do to get that spot, making their house, because that's the essence of being in the house, not just holding arms. Of course, it's going to be irritating, but yeah, they want to do it and do what they're supposed to do to get their spot in the house. So that's that I brought for you guys. And if you're new here, please kindly follow me up, Sylvia's Vile. Let's be friends. Bye.